Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import PowerPoint files into Goodnotes in 2026. Do you want to take your notes directly on your slides? You can easily import PowerPoint files into Goodnotes in 2026. And here's exactly how to do it. Now before we start, I'll give you a quick guide on how to download the Goodnotes application as well as the PowerPoint application. We're just going to go to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. Then you're going to search for the Goodnotes application and you're going to download it from here. You can also search for the PowerPoint application by typing in PowerPoint in the search bar like this. Then you're going to search for it and make sure to download it from here. As you can see here, we're going to go back to Goodnotes. Now you're going to open the Goodnotes application and you're going to start writing. You're going to tap the plus button. After you write anything, you write some random things. Choose the colors, switch between colors, etc. Modify your slide, modify and select the drawing, etc. Once you finish editing the slide, you can also import it, by the way. You can import a file and edit on it so you can make it better or it serves your purpose. Then you're gonna tap on the plus button and select import. You can alternatively click on here like this. You can also go on the home screen like this and click on new from here, from the new button, and you're gonna click on import. Now once you click on import, you're gonna select the type of files you want to import. For example, you're gonna select a PowerPoint file. You're gonna look for it by the extensions .ppt. Now once you import a PPT file, let's look for a PPT file. Do I have a PPT file on my device? Apparently I don't have, or I have it somewhere else. Now once you find this in the browser here, you're gonna open it. Make sure you open it and you're gonna see your slide on your screen here. You can edit it just like this. After that, make sure to convert it into a PDF format and then open it and start writing directly onto your slide. Now importing PowerPoint files makes studying and presentations easier. I use it to take notes directly on your slide. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.